In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update the PHP version for your WordPress site. This process is essential for maintaining your site's security and performance. Let's dive right in and get started. First, we'll begin by checking the current PHP version your WordPress site is using. From your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Tools, then select Site Health. This section is crucial for monitoring the overall health and performance of your site. Once you're there, click on the Info tab at the top. This will reveal a list of various details about your site. Scroll down until you find the Server section and click it. Here you'll see the current PHP version your site is running, which could be something like 7.4 or 33. Knowing your current version helps you understand what changes need to be made. Now, it's important to note that updating your PHP version cannot be done directly from WordPress itself. Unfortunately, WordPress doesn't have built-in features to update PHP versions because it's reliant on the settings provided by your hosting service. Instead, we'll need to make these changes through your hosting control panel, typically called cPanel. To access cPanel, open your web browser and type your domain name followed by or cPanel. So it would look something like your domain.com cPanel. Press enter and you'll be prompted to enter your cPanel username and password. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the cPanel dashboard, which serves as the hub for managing your website's backend. From here, we need to search for the PHP settings. At the top of the cPanel interface, there's a convenient search bar. Go ahead and type PHP. You should see an option labeled PHP version or select PHP version. Click on that option to proceed. Next, you'll be taken to a page where your current PHP version is clearly displayed. This confirms the version your hosting account is currently utilizing. It's vital to ensure this information matches what you saw in WordPress before we go forward. Now comes the step where we update the PHP version. Look for the PHP version drop-down menu. Here you can choose from several available versions supported by your hosting provider. Select the desired version, say PHP 8.1, from the menu. After making your choice, don't forget to click Apply or Save to initiate the change. This action updates your site's PHP version on the server. Once you've applied the change, let's verify the success of this update. Return to your WordPress dashboard and refresh the page to ensure everything is running smoothly. Head back to Tools, then Site Health, and once again, choose Info followed by Server. Check that the PHP version now reflects the updated version such as 8.1.x, and that's it. You've successfully updated your PHP version. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more WordPress tips and tutorials.